Hello everyone, it's Anesthesia Technician here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we can discuss about the ventilator modes. So kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Comment your suggestions and doubts in comment box. Let's start. In ventilator, the first one is volume control modes. In this modes, the volume is constant. They are CMV, controlled mandatory ventilation; ASV, assisted controlled ventilation; SMV, synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation; CMV, controlled mandatory ventilation. It is the A set tidal volume at set rate delivery even if patient are not breath. The next mode is ASV, assisted controlled ventilation. It is a set amount of air deliver in lungs with each breath. Then SIMV mode, synchronized intermittent mandatory ventilation, a set tidal volume and rate delivered along with spontaneous breathing. These are included in volume control ventilation. The another modes are pressure control modes. In this, the pressure is constant. It includes PCV, pressure control ventilation; PSV, pressure support ventilation. The first one is PCV, pressure control ventilation. It is a fixed inspiratory pressure and tidal volume delivered according to lungs complications. Next one, PSV, pressure support ventilation. It is the provide a set volume of pressure for support to assist spontaneous ventilation. Next mode are dual modes. It includes VSV, volume support ventilation; PRCV, pressure regulated volume control ventilation. First one is VSV, volume support ventilation. It is the provide a set volume support to assist spontaneous breathing. Next one, PRCV, pressure regulated volume control ventilation. Deliver set tidal volume, but adjust inspiration pressure to achieve desired breath. The other modes are CPAP, controlled plus V airway pressure; BiPAP, bipositive airway pressure; PEEP plus V end expiratory pressure. First one is CPAP, controlled positive airway pressure. Provide constant plus V pressure to airway without breath. Next one is BiPAP, bipositive airway pressure. It provide two-phase pressure, one inhalation and lower with expiration. Then PEEP is the next mode. It is positive end expiratory pressure, maintain constant positive pressure in airway at end of expiration. It keep alveoli open, improve oxygenation, prevent lung collapse. So guys, it is the definition of the modes. Hope you understand. It is the simple notes. So kindly comment your suggestions and doubts in comment box. Like, comment, share, and subscribe guys. Thank you for watching.